Hello guys, it's Janelle Amoy here, back with another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieve this beautiful high puff on my long 4C natural hair. So if you'd like to see how I get my hair in this puff, then just keep on watching this video. Also remember to subscribe to my channel and click the bell beside the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So let's get into the video. So I'm starting out with freshly washed hair. My hair was just washed, or I did a co-wash on my hair with just Tresemme conditioner. And this is what it is looking like. I didn't put anything in here. I didn't put anything in my hair as yet. It's just freshly washed with no product in my hair. Alright, so the first thing that I will be doing is this first section the hair into 4 parts so I can better manage my hair. Okay, the sun is playing games with me. It's playing hide and seek. So if you see this video, going dark like now and then getting bright, it's the sun just going in and out. Alright, so starting off with the first section. It's still a bit wet, but I'm just spritzing with some water to make it a little bit more moist. Alright, so after spritzing the hair, I'll be using my favorite moisturizer, and this is the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils. I'm just using a good amount here, and I'm first starting at my ends and applying it to the rest of the hair. Then I'm just sectioning the hair to ensure that I get it on all the sections, all the strands. And after doing that, we're gonna go in with some coconut oil. And we're applying it to the ends and then bringing it up. Same thing, applying it to all my strands, you know. So after I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and do it to the other sections before I apply the gel to my hair. So let me just do all the sections first. And I like to do this in sections because when you just take the whole head of hair and do this, you're not getting all the strands of hair. So I'm just going in again with the moisturizer, ensuring I get it all over on the edges. Then I apply my coconut oil. Alright, so now that all of our hair is moisturized, I'm gonna now start applying my gel to this section of hair. And I'm just taking like this amount. I'm not doing a wash and go. Well, I guess you can consider this a wash and go, but I'm not applying a lot of gel because I just really want the ends of my hair to curl, not necessarily the roots, because I'm gonna put it in a puff. So I'm just coming close so you can see my curls. And so I'm not applying any more gel because I don't want it really defined. So that's good enough for me. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other sections. And just a comparison. This is what my hair looks like without the gel. And with the gel. Gel does wonders. So I'm just put it in my hands first. Just applying the gel mostly to the ends of the hair because I don't want the roots to be all that defined, because it really doesn't matter because we're putting the hair in a puff. Alright, so that's it for that side. You can see that the back is already starting to shrink up. So let's do the other sides. And in case you're wondering, I'm using the Eco Styler gel. I didn't say earlier. The crystal one. So this is it. And this is the only gel I use like to do wash and goes. This is the only gel I use in my hair because it works for me. So I don't really experiment with any other gel. I just use this because it works. I've been using it from my Big Chopped years ago. Alright, I think I got all the strands. And then for the final one, nice. Ooh. I like to get the ends because it's the part that will be out. So I'm mostly focusing the gel on the ends. And when you're a 4C natural and you're doing a wash and go, are you leaving out your ends? When you have gel over it, it's less likely to get matted, like because the hairs are clumped together in their own little curls, you know. So that's a tip for you naturals out there. Because people always ask me when I have my hair out, they always ask if I don't get a lot of breakage. But when you have the gel when you have the gel on your hair, it basically prevents it from basically, you know, like when your hair is in its natural state, it wouldn't be curled up in the individual curls, so they would be all together. With the gel, they're separate curls, and so they'll remain that way until I'm ready to wash it out. Alright, so I'll just add some more to the pencil. And you can see this side is already shrunken. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is just to scrunch the hair so that you can get the curls to shrink up, because it's too long to go into a puff. So I'm just trying to get all the hair on top of my head and scrunching it while I'm doing that. Alright, so I'm gonna spritz right here with some water because it's dried out. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more coconut oil around the perimeters of my head because it feels a little dry. So I don't own a brush, so I just normally use this little toothbrush to just brush my edges in. And then we're gonna take our little shoelace and make a big old puff. So I'm putting the lace at the back of my neck, bringing it forward and crossing it over, pushing the front up and the back up as well. And I'm just doing that until it gets way up to the top. And I'm gonna take the lace and just cross it until it gets short where I can tie it. Alright, so now that that's secured, we're gonna shape the puff. So I'm just using my hands to fluff it out so it can look bigger. Alright, so we want this style to look neater, and so we're gonna fix up these edges with some gel. So I'm just using my toothbrush, some gel to brush my edges in. Look at the difference. Alright, so you see the wonders of gel. Alright, so your style is not complete until you have done the back. I've seen so many people do the front and then the back is just left dry. So I'm just still fluffing so I can get the puff to look the way I want it to look. You have to like just shape it until you're comfortable. Ah, look at the curls. Alright, so for the edges, I'm just gonna use this scarf here just to tie it down so it can set, because if you are 4C natural, you know if you don't do this step, this here will just be all frizzy again. So you have to let it dry with a scarf on that's a secret in order to have it stay looking laid, you know. So normally I would do this and then get dressed, and by the time I'm dressed, then it would be set. So you want to leave it like for 5 to 10 minutes for it to set. So I'm gonna wait. Alright, so I've waited for 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna take off this scarf. And as you can see, my edges are set. And I have me my nice puff. Alright, so this is the finished look. As you can see, my hair is all shrunken into this puff here. And this is one of my favorite go-to styles. This can last you the whole week. All I do is just spritz with water, fluff, and that's it. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you did enjoy, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.